Hello everyone, I am Ashiqur Rahaman. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to verify your domain in the Events Manager. So whenever you go to test event, you can see a verify your domain website domains notice. This is very important for Apple's iOS 14 changes. So this is necessary to send data to your website fluently or without any problem. So you have to verify this. So we will show you how to verify this domain in your WordPress website. Now for this you have to click verify, then it will take you domains section of your business manager. Now from there you can click add, then request access to a domain or create a new domain. So let's click create a new domain. Now we have to put our website link. Here is our website link. We have logged in the backend. Now let's copy this. So Facebook just want us to copy this option, https or any other things not needed. Then we have to click we have to go to our business manager and paste the URL in the domain section. We have pasted it. Now click add. After clicking this, a new window will appear, and here we can see multiple method to verify our domain. So for this we will do this. Add a meta tag to your HTML source code. So if we select this method, we just need to copy this and paste it in our website head section. Now let's click copy to clipboard. Now go to your website backend. There is lots of options to do this. We will use a plugin to verify our domain, because it will be safe for us, because we don't have to edit any our code of the theme. So let's click plugin, then add new. Here we want to write insert header. Now we will just install this plugin, insert headers and footers, WP Brigade, and you can remember by this image. Let's click install. Now let's activate it. We are almost done. Just go to the plugin you just installed. Okay, we have to find this. Yes, WP headers and footers. Let's click settings. Here we have a option to paste our code. We just copied from business manager. Just paste it. Scripts in header. This means it will paste the code in the header section of the website. Now simply just click save changes. We are done. So as we have done this, we have to just click verify domain, that so we can check it is working or not. Let's click verify domain. Yes, weblearnings.xyz has been verified. Our domain has been verified very fluently. There is no problem. So by this method you can verify your domain in business manager. Here you can see verified is written from Facebook. So that's it. That's all from me. Please subscribe if you want this kind of video tutorial. Thank you very much.